listen for cars passing out on the lane to distract from the weight of this quieted pain. The numbers are shifting on top of the desk as the layout of midnight becomes grotesque. I try to remember the feeling of peace before the anxiety begged for release, but the memory slipped through the gaps in my hand like water escaping a circle of sand. And I'm crying in the dark. Yeah, I'm crying in the dark, when nobody watches and nobody knows, the way that the coldness just enters